mga palangga!
Hello mga palangga, this is Mandy and More and welcome back to my channel. And for today's content, it's been a while since I have uploaded my vlog in my YouTube channel, and most of the time I only upload music or song covers. But this time, I took the time out, sinipag mo ako, I've gathered the strength and the energy to somehow provide a new content for my vlogs. And for today's vlog, it's a little feature about some of my office mates, and I thank them for all their support to my YouTube channel. And of course, we will meet all of them later from different countries. But before that, please hit on like, click on subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated for whenever we upload new YouTube videos. I'm on Facebook, and that's Armtal. Please add me as your friend as well. I'm on Twitter, and that's Mandy4Arman. And follow me on Instagram, that's Armtal or Arman Talion. So basically this video, I will introduce you to some of my office mates, very supportive of them. And of course, I will tell you the most effective way on how to gain more subscribers on your YouTube channel. And still, the most effective way to gain subscribers that will last for a lifetime, for as long as you are in YouTube, is the personal connection that you have with your audience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and welcome to Mandy and More.
Hello mga palangga and welcome to my channel, Mandy and More. In this channel, we will talk about music, love, food, travel, our everyday life, our spirituality, and anything that spells positivity. Let's all spread the love and enjoy your stay only here on Mandy and More. Hello guys, it's been a while. How are you all doing? Kamusta po kayo? I'm here right now in my office dito sa Doha, Qatar, and it's been a while that I haven't made a content for a vlog content, at least to my YouTube video, my YouTube channel I mean. So I decided to make a short video just to pump up my vlogging content. So whatever goes, I'll just go around and ask some questions to my office mates, and let's see what happens. Hello, Misaj.
Hello.
How are you, Misaj?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Where are you from?
From India, Kerala.
Really?
Yeah.
How old are you?
22.
Misaj,
Yeah.
what can you say about me?
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 You are amazing.
Give an honest answer.
Yeah, you are amazing.
You think so?
Yeah.
Did you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
No, I will check.
Please do. That's the reason why I'm vlogging, because I want to convince people
Okay,
to
I will check
subscribe.
and subscribe.
No, I have to make sure. Please open your phone and subscribe now. And click the bell button. So that's Misaj.
What's your channel name?
Si Mandy, Mandy, space,
Please.
And, space, More. Mandy and More. My God, guys, he's really subscribing. Let's see if he's subscribing to the right channel.
This
Are
one,
you,
right?
yes, that's me. My God, I'm so handsome, right? Thank you, Misaj.
Thank you.
Did you click the bell button?
Yeah, I click, but it's doing.
Thank you, Misaj. Don't unsubscribe, okay?
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Ramshad. How are you, brother?
I'm good.
You're also from India, right?
Yeah, India, Kerala.
Where? Bengali? Ramshad.
Kerala.
So, how are you? How long have you been here in Qatar?
2 years.
Only 2 years?
Yeah, only 2 years.
Really?
I am still only 23 man.
You're 23 years
Yeah.
old? You're married?
No. I'm now free.
Oh, you're a bachelor.
Yeah, but
Oh, so you're for sale, so we
Chilling,
will
full
post this
full
to
chilling,
all
chill
of
out.
you. Shout out to all of you who are looking for a husband. Ramshat is available. But Mr. Ramshat, you just came from vacation, right? I
Yes.
remember.
Yeah.
So did you enjoy your vacation?
Yeah, it's really, went to Ladakh.
Your family is doing good?
Yeah, it's
Your
good.
family? But Mr. Ramshad, the reason why I want you to be on my video
because I want to see people that you are subscribing to my channel.
Sure.
Can you search?
Okay.
I'm forcing. The doctor is smiling, see?
What's your channel name?
It's MANDY
MANDY
NDY space. Ay, there.
Space
And more.
and
More.
Yeah,
See, my
Yeah,
God,
this
I'm
one.
getting subscribers, guys.
okay.
Click subscribe and
Subscribe.
bell all.
Building
All.
all.
Yes! I have one more. Thank you, Mr. Ramshad. You're very kind. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Lan, why are you so serious?
I'm
Mr. Milan, you're from Nepal, right? How are you doing? See, Mr. Milan is the king of procurement in our office.
but I need to go.
Mr. Milan, I'm here because I want to check if you already subscribed to my YouTube channel. But I believe you are because I see you commenting on my videos. Mr. Milan, how long have you been here in Qatar?
I am 14 years.
14 years. Oh my God, a decade and 4 years. So, you're married, right?
Yeah, correct.
Your family is in Nepal. When is your next vacation?
I'm planning to coming February
February next year?
2022.
When everything else hopefully will be better, right? Anyway, how many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
Boy and girl?
Yeah.
Wow. How old?
Girl is now 10 years. Then boy is a little small one.
Do you want to have more? Or that's enough? No, I'm asking if you want to have more kids. How many more?
It's enough for my life.
That's enough? 2 is enough?
2 is enough.
At least you have boy and girl, right?
Yeah, correct.
It's complete already. Yeah.
So hi. Kamusta?
Say hi to them.
Yeah. Okay. Hi.
They will see this. Their daddy is in YouTube.
Okay. So subscribe to our friends Armando channel.
Can you just say my real name? He just said my real name. My name in YouTube is not Armando, it's Mandy and More. Mandy and More.
Monday and more. Huh?
Yes. But anyway, thank you, Mr. Milan. Thank you for supporting me. All the best to you. And hopefully your vacation will push through next year. Thank you. Said something. Hello?
Yes, I'm Luluren.
What's your name, brother?
Name Nauman, but I'm Luluren.
This is not the video that we're taking from before. I have one question for you.
Yes.
How old are you, brother?
I'm 24.
You're only 24?
No, not only. Only two is coming, but
You're
also-
only 24?
No, first 2 is coming, then 4. Total 24.
You're so funny. Do you want to be a comedy actor?
No. Still I'm.
No. Mr. Noman, where are you from? Which country are you from?
Me?
Yes. No, you. Who am I asking? From?
Country or place?
India? Your country, where?
I'm from Ramchat country, India.
From India. Which state?
Which state? Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Yes.
Oh, you're from Maharashtra. Are you single or married?
Same.
Mr. Noman.
Panvel is coming in Maharashtra.
See? Are you single or married? Mr. Noman, you're single or married?
No, I'm
Now single.
But we are going to mingle.
2022 January married.
Why you're here again, Noman? Why you're here again?
Take the video with MC.
I'm here with Mr. Abdul Rab,
Yes.
another colleague of mine. He is in charge of document control. Right? Mr. Abdul Rab, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Where are you from, my dear?
India, in Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah,
How many years you've been working here?
in 6 years.
6 years?
Yes.
In Qatar also
Yes,
6 years?
6 years also.
But are you married?
Yeah,
Your family is there in India?
In India, yes.
In India. How many kids do you have?
One kids.
Only one?
Yeah.
When you plan to have more?
Inshallah, I'm going.
Company need to approve the vacation.
I'm going to India.
Huh?
Company need
So
to
you can
approve
do the
vacation.
honeymoon? You can
Why
make baby?
no?
Why
Yes.
you're joining the video again? You don't want to subscribe to my channel? Mr. Abdul Rab,
Yes, yes, Armando.
did you already subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Yeah, inshallah.
Did you? Where's your phone, my dear? Please subscribe. See, because all of them,
Yeah.
I'm forcing them to subscribe.
No problem.
Hello, my dear. My dear. Just ko, ang hirap na. It's so hard to look for subscribers. Ang hirap maghanap ng subscribers, guys. It's so hard to look for subscribers. Oh my God. Why it's blocked? Oh. But remember, my YouTube channel is Mandy and More. What's up? What's your number, your name? Ramshat? Jamsit? Okay. I will send. Thank you. Yeah, but this phone unfortunately is not. There's a problem with the internet. Yes, what? You're subscribing now?
Yeah, I'm going
Please,
to subscribe your
please.
channel. But,
Come on, check, open.
Yes, I will. I'm the one your
Please.
next subscriber.
Oh my God, now he's not asking me for money. See, it's very,
Even I don't have money.
it's very nice now to me. You are the richest.
Zero.
Where's all the money?
Why? We cannot show the money in the YouTube channel.
Why it's okay to show money, no?
No, it's not okay. Only we have
But search for my channel first. That's
this
the most
small
important.
money we have.
Only that? Okay.
Yes.
Search for my name, Mandy
MANDY
space
space
AND
AND
space
space
MORE.
MORE.
Mandy and More. See, let's see if he gets it correct. Yes, that's it. That's
Yes.
it. Click the bell. Bell on.
Bell icon also.
On. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Noman. You have to watch this video tonight because you're here
Yes,
for,
we
for
will
the
watch.
first time. Okay, I will upload this
We
tonight.
will watch your video and you will get the money.
Thank you, Mr. Noman, for your support.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
you very
you.
much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, bye-bye. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's it. We have additional subscribers.